So the girls received these from someone, and you know who you are. 20 giant coloring pages. Princess and the Frog. They are really going to enjoy that one. And they also got this one. Modern Patterns Botanical Coloring Book. And it has some pretty pattern designs to color. Thank you so much. So I'm just about to make some sausages. These are my favorite Waggerty's Farm. They're really good. Let's turn this meat over. And my finished product, Yum-O sausage. So at the dealership, there was an older lady brought in some baked goods to sell to the workers there, and I helped her with her door, holding it open and stuff. So she gave me a cake pop. And it's really cute. I'm going to have fun eating that later. She said if somebody helps her, she gives them a little treat. So, yeah. Yes, I have Dr. Pepper in a iced coffee cup. That's how I roll. So, hey guys. I look like death. My hair probably needs combed. But I was tired last night, but I didn't really get a good night's sleep. Then I had to wake back up this morning and go take my car at 9:30. Supposedly a brake job, and it turned into a wheel bearing, and I have to take it back and get a lower left control arm fixed. Back in the fall of last year, I already had the right lower control arm replaced, so I don't know what's going on with that. I just got back home about 2:30. It's now about 3:30, and I'm tired, so excuse this. Don't have much plans for the weekend. Probably just staying around the house. I might go out to eat tomorrow, but that's about it. I wish you guys a great weekend, and I will talk to you soon.
You. Hey. Hey. Come here. Come here. What? Say hi. Say hi. Hi, guys. Say hey. Say hey.
What are you doing? Huh? You having a little drink and eat?